I met Stephanie Fredette last month as she braced for an uphill battle. A Calgary-based oil and gas company installed a new pipe on her property in Lake Alma. Fredette drove to Regina to represent herself against a corporate lawyer in front of a panel that will decide how much the company will have to pay her.
To be asked to come and kind of go toe-to-toe against an oil field or pipeline lawyer is really, really intimidating. You have to familiarize yourself with the act, and you have to familiarize yourself with the legalese of what you're being presented.
Many private landowners in Saskatchewan don't own the rights to minerals under their property. Resource companies can buy those rights, but before they can develop, they have to get permission to come onto the property. Companies have to compensate property owners in return. If deals can't be reached, parties can go to the Surface Rights Board of Arbitration. But there have long been concerns that Saskatchewan's surface rights law and the board are stacked against property owners, most of whom are farmers and ranchers in rural areas.
If you've bought the mineral rights, you have a legal right to access them through the surface. Lots of landholders' first experience with the Surface Rights Arbitration Board is in the setting where the decision has already been made, right, against their will. So people are somewhat, I guess, cynical just about their ability to get proper compensation and action through the board.
Eaton says many property owners feel they can't make waves about surface rights because there could be social repercussions. Nobody has said anything directly to Fredette, but she says she has heard the gossip.
Farmers are businessmen. They own land for a reason, and I think most of them are open to projects, but you have to make sure it's good for you and not just good for the other guy.
A compensation order is pending for Fredette's case. She says she's among the cynics, skeptical she won't get more than what was initially offered. Nicholas Frew, CBC News, Regina.